Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Thank you for tuning in, and this time tuning in to my 3113th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Good evening, traders. Going to be a quick video, but tomorrow I'll get out in front of the camera and do a comprehensive video with a lot of charts. But here's what I want to show you. First thing is first, risky. Trading is risky. Never trade any market without putting in your protective stops, and put those stops in first before you get into any long or short positions. There are some exchanges that don't allow crypto exchanges. That's a terrible thing. You need to have stops in when you trade. Trading needs stops. Now, one good thing about crypto is you can only lose what you put in, right? But with commodities, they can just keep going and you can lose way more than your investment. That's scary. Put your stops in, put them in first. Okay, so video 3113 for trading on Tuesday, August 4th, 2026. E-mini S&P daily bar chart in front of your eyes, and the Omni is green. Now, here's where we left off on Thursday night for trading on Friday. And I had mentioned that if we fail here, we drop. And I actually put out some lower projections in case that happens. And of course, if we get above here and hold above, that changes everything. Here's where we were on Thursday night. I should say Friday. Thursday night for Friday was here. Friday night for Monday is here. Look what happened. So we were here on Thursday. This was Friday. Monday. This is what happened on Monday. Now, instead of the question mark being here, the question mark has been answered, right? Absolutely, positively, we will get through. Erase. We did get through. Look at how high it's gone. It's an amazing run that we have just seen, and that tells me to tell you this. The bearish calls in NASDAQ and AMD have been negated. Why? Because we're back above the formation that was breaking down last week. It's not breaking down above the formation. This is Monday night for trading Tuesday. This little bar, it already looks pretty good. So the bearish calls in NASDAQ and AMD that I made on Thursday have been negated. If that changes, of course, and we start heading down, I'll revisit that. Negated. Those calls are absolutely incorrect. That was a bad call. No chance. We're not going down. We're moving up. If that changes, of course, we'll do something about it. For day trading, Monday night for Tuesday, we are buyers of dips in the E-mini S&P NASDAQ Rus. Then there's this, traders. Look at the Omni Phoenix token. How could you not want to be in this coin? Every time it has a dip, the buyers come in and take it right back up. It's higher now. We love you, Omniacs around the world. Buy the Omni Phoenix token. Buy it now at Phantom Wallet, Coinbase, Pump.fun, but get yourselves in. How could you want to miss this? We've got a worldwide crowd that loves this coin. Get yourselves in the Omni Phoenix. I will do everything in my power to help move this higher with my crowd organically. I buy influencers all the time. I advertise this everywhere. I keep streaming every day on live networks. The crowd is getting bigger. Make sure you get yourselves in. Please do yourselves a favor and get in the Omni Phoenix. All right. Then let's just go back to that chart we were looking at. And remember, the Omni is bullish for buying dips, trading Monday night through Tuesday. We have negated those bearish calls that were in Thursday night's video for Friday, because between Friday's action and Monday's action, there's no need to stand on that call. So negated. And we will see what's going to happen next. Tomorrow night I'll come out, I promise. I'll do a bunch of charts. We'll look at a bunch of stuff. For now, know this. Negated on the downside calls. Omni's loving what it's seeing, and we're buyers of dips in the Omni trading, in the Omni Phoenix token, which is my Omni token, and an E-mini S&P if we can get a fill. Traders, I hope this helps. More tomorrow night. Remember, stop in. Emotions are traders rock and roll. Where I was all day today, if you were looking for me, I was working with Technotainment Streaming Media and a bunch of people from the Ukraine, and we're trying to put on a concert for Ukraine to raise money. It's happening. We're putting the bands together. Big stuff going on. I will keep all of you informed. That's Oscar with Technotainment Streaming Media. Thank you very much. I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.